The Charitable Login widget helps you create a login form inside your web page. This tool basically syncs with the Charitable plugin, making it possible for the donors to access their donor profile. Hi, this is Sakib from BdThemes, and today I'll talk about the Charitable Login widget. First, let's shrink its size a little bit for better viewing. Just go for the section menu. Also, you can change the form field color by changing the color from the color itself. The widget has one section under the Content tab where you can edit the logged in message, text for the registration link below, and a direct link that will move your visitors to another page within your site after login. Moving on to the Style tab, we have several sections for styling different part of the content. The first section changes the background color and border of the whole form. Next section lets you change the level, color, spacing, and typography. We got two input fields and a section for shaping them. Adjust the border radius to make those fields round. Adding inner padding will increase their dimension. The login button is also customizable, looks best if matched with the input field style. Lastly, the linked text sign up and forget password also can be changed by color and typography. Easy. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming updates. Make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching.